Hi, hi everyone. This is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will give the information regarding combination of two papers in GATE 2021. That means a two paper strategy in GATE 2021. So here I list out the combination of two papers that I mentioned in the table. Okay. So if you observe the table, okay. So for civil engineering students, AR or ES papers are the secondary papers. Okay. In the same way, for computer science students, mathematics is the secondary paper, and for electronics and communication students, instrumentation engineering and physics, these two are the secondary papers. And in the same way, for electrical engineering students, instrumentation engineering is the secondary paper. For instrumentation engineering students, EC, Triple E and PH, that means physics, these three are the secondary papers. For mechanical engineering students, engineering science is the secondary paper. For production and industrial engineering students, engineering science is the second paper. So these are the, that means for civil engineering student cannot appear mathematics as a secondary paper, and in the same way computer science students cannot appear instrumentation engineering as a secondary paper. Okay, that means the time schedules are not permitted in that way. Okay, so for in this table, the primary papers having different time slot and a different date. Okay, and secondary papers also having different time slot and different dates. So these dates and time slots are not coincide. Okay, so and here I will give the syllabus comparison of EC students as well as instrumentation students in my opinion. So first paper, that means EC first paper students, okay, for those students instrumentation is the second best possibility. Okay, instrumentation first paper students, okay, EC is the second best possibility. Why I am telling like that? So EC and instrumentation students have 80% of the similar syllabus. Okay, so rest of the syllabus, that means 20% of the syllabus is different. Okay, if you compare EC with physics, 20% of the syllabus is same, 80% of the syllabus is different. So two different syllabuses means a student cannot take the exam in this particular duration. Okay, so that for EC and instrumentation, okay, EC is the mainstream and instrumentation is the secondary paper. If at all instrumentation is the first paper, EC is the second best possibility. Okay, so if you compare instrumentation as first paper and Triple E as the second paper, the Triple E students are having power systems, power electronics and machines complete syllabus. Okay, so that is somewhat difficult to the instrumentation students. Okay, and physics also same thing. So one or two subjects are similar to instrumentation and rest of the complete syllabus is different. So in that situations, instrumentation students can take secondary paper as EC only. That is the best option. That is completely my opinion, right? So what are the syllabus topics are similar for EC as well as instrumentation, that we will discuss in this session, right? So okay, here I list out the EC and instrumentation subjects in table. Okay, so the extra subject I mentioned in the box, okay, for instrumentation students. Okay, so here we observe EC and instrumentation syllabuses. Okay, first general aptitude section as well as engineering mathematics section. Okay, general aptitude having 15 marks weightage, engineering mathematics having 13 marks weightage, right? So while comparing EC with instrumentation, so 99.99% is same, just 0.1 percentage different, that is numerical methods. Okay, instrumentation people having numerical methods but EC people doesn't have. Okay, so that is the difference for general aptitude and engineering mathematics section. Okay, and next when comes to technical part, okay, so electrical circuits is a subject for EC as well as instrumentation, but in addition to that electrical circuits, machines also added for this 2021 year. Okay, for instrumentation engineering students, electrical circuit plus machines, that is the combined subject for instrumentation engineering students. In that machines, okay, for this 2021 year, they are added single phase transformers and 3-phase induction motor. Only 2 topics which comes under machines part, that is included with electrical circuits for instrumentation engineering students. Okay, single phase transformers and 3-phase induction motor. Okay, so this is regarding electrical circuit subjects for EC as well as instrumentation, right? And when it comes to signals and system, so both are having same syllabus. There's DFT, FFT and basics of filter design. That is extra portions which covered in instrumentation engineering. So that FFT and filter design parts are removed for EC students in this 2021 year. Okay, and when it comes to control system, maximum syllabus is same. Okay, and for analog electronics also same thing. Okay, but for EC students the power amplifiers is not covered. That means this time power amplifiers is removed and 555 timers also removed, but those topics are included in instrumentation engineering students analog electronics subject. Okay, and when it comes to digital electronics part, okay, so for EC students computer organization is added for this 2021 year, right? For EC students, wait a minute, CO computer organization is added for digital electronics subject in for EC students, right? And for instrumentation engineering students, okay, so first topic is embedded system. Okay, embedded systems. Okay, and second topic is distributed control systems, and third topic is programmable logic controllers. Okay, programmable logic controllers. These are the 3 topics which are added in digital electronics subject for instrumentation engineering students. Okay, for EC student these topics are not there in digital electronics for EC student, but this time 8085 is 8085 was removed and CO subject is added for this 2021 paper, right? Analog electronics, most of the syllabus is same, and but here they are removing power amplifiers. Okay, power amplifiers. Okay, and 555 timers. Okay, so this 555 timers is one of the topic in analog electronics for instrumentation engineering students. Okay, so here for control system, most of the situation is same, most of the syllabus is same, and for signals and system, for instrumentation students, FFT, wait a minute, FFT and filters, basics of filters, right? Those filters are IIR and FIR. Okay, these are the topics are extra in instrumentation engineering. Okay, and when it comes to communication system part, almost all same. Okay, for EC students having cyclic redundancy codes and Hamming codes. Okay, Hamming codes, these are the topics which are added for 2021 paper, and these topics are not available in instrumentation communication system syllabus. Okay, and when it comes to electromagnetic theory, so this is the, and for this electromagnetic theory, these people are don't having basics. That means electrostatics and magnetostatics are basics. Those topics are not mentioned in EMT syllabus. But that is one of the new subjects which are added for instrumentation engineering: electricity and magnetism. Electricity is nothing but electrostatics, magnetism is nothing but magnetostatics. Whatever the basics which are available for EC student, those basics can be added for instrumentation engineering for this 2021 year, right? So for EC EMT, okay, so in this EMT, so they are having Maxwell equations and boundary conditions, uniform plane waves, and transmission lines, waveguides, antenna theory, okay, and optical fiber basics, right? So those all topics are not mentioned in this instrumentation engineering, and at the same time those electrostatics and magnetostatics basics are not available in EMT EC syllabus, okay. But anyway, if EC students, if you want to learn EMT subject, so definitely they have to focus on basics also, okay. So and this is regarding electromagnetic theory subject. And when it comes to EDC, electronic device circuit, these people are having semiconductor physics as well as diodes and transistors and MOSFET. IC fabrication is removed from for this year, okay. When it comes to this optical instrumentation part for instrumentation students, only optical devices, that means photodiode, LED, okay, here I will mention here LED and photodiode, okay, photodiode and laser, okay, and spectrometers, okay. So like that we have some topics which are comes under optical instrumentation, okay. So some of the optical sources, some of the optical devices are mentioned in electronic devices subject also, okay. But whatever the syllabus mentioned in EDC, that is not covered in optical instrumentation, okay. Just 10 to 20%, 10% of the syllabus is similar for this EDC and optical instrumentation. Rest of the topics are different for instrumentation as well as EC people, right? And in addition to these subjects, for instrumentation students, and those people are having some extra subjects, those are machines which are included in electrical circuit, which are already explained, right? Single phase transformer and 3-phase induction motor. And when it comes to measurement part, so this is additional subject for instrumentation students. The subject is not available in EC. And sensors and industrial instrumentation, which is also called as transducers, okay. This is also called as transducers, okay. So this is the additional subject for instrumentation engineering students, right? So these syllabuses I mentioned next slides, okay. And one more thing, so these are all the subjects, that means measurements and sensors and industrial instrumentation, these topics, and even machines, that means basics of machines, which are already covered in 4 years degree, that means which are already covered in BTech degree for EC students, that means 3-2 and 4-1 semesters. These subjects, measurements and industrial transplantations, will covered in 3-2 or 4-1 semesters in their graduation, right? So even machines also, that means that subject name is electrical technology, basics of machines, which comes under electrical technology for EC students in 2-1 or 2-2 semester, right? So that means all the topics which are that means all the subjects which are in instrumentation, those subjects already covered for EC people in their graduation, okay. That means this is not a new one for EC students, okay. Definitely they will they come across with these subjects, right? So these syllabuses, in complete detailed syllabus, I will mention in next slides, okay. Okay, so here the machine syllabus I mentioned here, okay. That is single phase transformer is the first part, and 3-phase induction motor is the second topic, right? Okay, these are the 3 topics: single phase transformer, okay, this is the first topic, and second topic is a 3-phase induction motor, okay. These 2 topics comes under machines, which are included for electrical circuit subject, right? So and their losses and efficiency also they mentioned here, okay. That means types of losses and efficiency calculations of these particular machines for these particular electrical machines, right? And next, when it comes to and the next topic is next subject is measurement. So here I mentioned complete syllabus, okay. In this measurement we measure the basic quantities like basic quantities means resistance, inductance and capacitance, voltage, current, frequency, for all these electrical quantities, how you measure, what are the types of circuits we are using for those measurements. So that is mentioned in this measurement subject. So we have two types, that is electrical measurements. Okay, one is electrical measurements. Okay, electrical measurement, and second one is electronic measurements. Yes, you go through these particular topics here I mentioned, like. And next subject is sensors and industrial instrumentation. Okay, so here also we have two types of classification. That means this industrial instrumentation and sensors is required for energy conversion point of view. That means electrical quantity to mechanical quantity conversion, in the same way mechanical to electrical quantity conversion. For that purpose we need to use transducers part. So we have two types of conversion. One is electrical to mechanical quantity conversion. Okay, and in the same way mechanical to electrical quantity conversion. Mechanical quantity is nothing but displacement, temperature, okay, humidity, okay, like displacement, temperature, humidity and pressure. Okay, these are the mechanical quantities, right? So from this mechanical quantity to electrical quantity conversion, electrical quantity is nothing but voltage, current and power, right? So this is regarding sensors and industrial instrumentation. Next, when move on to communication and optical instrumentation subject, just once we observe the communication part for instrumentation engineering student. So amplitude and frequency modulation and demodulation technique. Okay, and Shannon sampling theorem. Okay, so pulse code modulation and frequency and time division multiplexing, amplitude, phase, frequency, quadrature amplitude and phase shift keying for digital modulation. That means digital modulation techniques also mentioned in this syllabus, and sampling theorem also mentioned in the syllabus. Only the two topics are missing while comparing to EC, that is the random process and information theory. This random process information theory is available for EC students, but that is not available in communication for instrumentation engineering students, right? And these are the two topics that differ for EC to instrumentation. And next, when it comes to optical instrumentation part, optical sources and detectors, LED, laser, photodiode, light dependent resistor, the square law detectors and their character. Up to this portion is same for EC as well as instrumentation, and interferometer and spectrometers are not available for EC students in EDC subject, right? So this is interferometer and spectrometers and photometers, these spectrophotometers. These topics are only the syllabus. These topics are available for instrumentation but not available in EC students, EC syllabus, right? So these are the syllabus differences for EC as well as instrumentation students. Okay, and one more thing, so in my opinion, EC mainstream students, for EC mainstream students, instrumentation is the best possibility, second best possibility. And for instrumentation as a mainstream student, for those students, electronics and communication engineering is the second best possibility. Okay, why? Because in the worst situation 80% of the syllabus is same. Okay, so for further updates, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.